Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be making sausage roll, Nigerian sausage roll. Before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for this sausage roll, definitely we'll be needing sausage and some other things. Okay, please check the description box to know what I used and the measurements of the things I used in this video. So let's get right into it. For this sausage mix here, you can decide to just blend your sausage separately, then mix the other the powdered ingredients with it after blending. But me, I decided to blend them all together, and this is how they look like, or this is how it looks like actually. So let's get right into the main ingredients. This is our flour, sugar, water, eggs, baking powder, nutmeg and margarine with salt as well, a pinch of salt. So in a bowl you pour your flour. I poured my flour actually. That's nutmeg, baking powder and sugar. So you mix them all together for them to incorporate. Do you understand? So you mix them all together properly. Then after mixing them all together, mix them really good. Okay, I didn't have my salt. I told you guys in the my previous video that I'm not a salt fan. Like, I'm not a fan of salt, so I decided not to add it, but you can anyways. So you get another bowl, pour in your mixture into it. Then after pouring in the mixture, you add your margarine or butter, anyways, any which one you have, it's fine. Then you mix them all together with your hand. Okay, like you mix them all. It's more easy to mix with your hand, so mix it properly with your hand until it's crumbling. You will see how crumbling this is until it is crumbling. Then you add your whisked egg. I actually used 2 eggs in this video for this sausage roll I'm making. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I made 2. I used, oh my goodness, I'm really sorry. I used 2. This is the egg. I beat it, then poured it into it, and afterwards I added water. Please don't forget to check the description box for the measurements of the things I used. You can use milk if you want to, but I decided to use water. So you mix it properly until your dough looks exactly like this. Not too soft and not even hard at all. Then you cover it for a while. Then afterwards you start making your sausage roll. So let's get into the sausage roll. Okay, fine. Here is our dough. You get a knife and split it into how many pieces you prefer. I prefer to split it into 2, so here it is. Then the next thing you have to do, you get your rolling pin. I'm so sorry, I don't have a rolling pin. I decided to use a soft, like a bottle. Yes, actually I had to use a bottle, so please spare me for this. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can as well use bottle. It worked really nice, like so nice, trust me. So after spreading it out properly, you get a knife. Then you cut the edges into, like, you cut the edges away, so just to make the spread into a rectangular shape. Then after cutting it off, then you start filling in your sausage mix. This is what it looks like after cutting off the edges. So that's my sausage mix. Really tasted nice, trust me. So after filling in your sausage mix, the next thing you have to do is to start lifting the edge up. You lift it up carefully. That's why I said your dough shouldn't be soft, okay, for it to be easy to lift up. You can see how I'm doing here. Lift it up, but I was meant to do something before doing that, but you're going to see that very soon, which is putting egg at the edge of this, at the tip of this, yeah, at the tip here. Yes, that's where you put your egg. And the reason I'm doing that is because we don't want our rolling opening in the oven. Do you understand? So the egg is going to help the rolling staying together. So that's basically why I applied egg there. So that's it. You roll it properly. It's not that hard. It's very easy as long as your dough is perfect. So it's quite easy. So that was basically what I did. And yeah, so after doing this, you cut it into the pieces you want. I cut this into 4. What I'm doing is not so much because I'm doing it just for myself, and this is everything I'll be making. And yeah, for the foil, you have to make sure you oil it. If you don't have baking sheets, I use foil because I don't have baking sheets. So that's basically make sure you oil your foil paper before for what I'm doing right here. You can use the sausage on it in order to avoid. So I decided to do what I'm doing here after baking. And why I'm doing this is to have this brownish look after baking. And you can use brush if you have, but I don't have brush, so that's why I use that. And for the foil, you have to oil the foil everything. This is how it looks like after baking for 1 hour on low heat. You can high heat if you want, but I decided to bake it on low heat, and yeah, it came out really nice. Oof, you can feel the heat, yeah. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for the previous videos you've watched. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for subscribing. And I just want to know if you try this. If you try this, let me know in the comment section. And if not, just still comment. Let me know how you feel about this video. Thank you so much for viewing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing once again. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like if you haven't. Don't forget to share if you haven't. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the view. Bye.